Alright guys, so I'm gonna take my Hasselblad X2D to Glastonbury.
Turn right onto A36.
The aim is to test the X2D in this fast-moving, colorful, light-changing condition to see how it handles itself. So here is my setup for the Glastonbury. I have the Hasselblad X2D 100C with the 90V and also with the 55V. And also I have the DJI Pocket Osmo 3 and also the DJI Mac. That's everything that I'm taking with me at Glastonbury.
In a quarter of a mile.
I think we have about half an hour or something like that, to go.
Pick and post roundabout. Take the third exit.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, come on, what are you waiting? Subscribe. And also, like this video. Give me a fat thumbs up.
Hey, Gino, you going dumb.
Big drama now. We got here.
Yeah, £15,000 a person.
Oh my goodness.
The Smoke Salmon Benedict. Hello? Yeah, Kolwase, yeah. Yes. No, I think we're going right now to the red gate, red car park. Oh, the vehicle is a Mercedes. We're asked to come here so that somebody gonna come and bring us some parcels. Yeah.
Okay, so right, then right again.
All right.
Give them a call and let them know you're at Redgate.
All right, thank you. So we're here at the spot that they're gonna come and bring us the parking ticket. So we got the parking permit. So now we're gonna go back to park to the orange. Just following our guide. Thank you. And so we are here. Don't forget the ticket.
No, we haven't got the letters yet.
So basically we are here at that field. So finally we are at the spot. So we're gonna go get our wristband.
Ah, yes, Caucasia.
Yeah.
Hello, we got you, hooray.
Thank you.
Sorry, nothing is ever simple.
Thank
Are
you.
you guys camping with us?
Yeah, we're camping. You said that we need to look for someone. Canon? Callum, is it Callum? Sorry. Callum, yeah.
Callum,
Yeah, Callum.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting you too.
Like, check in.
Apparently you show us where we can
Absolutely,
put
yeah.
the tent. All right, guys. So my tent is set, and now I'm gonna try to go hit Glastonbury with my Hasselblad in my hand. And I don't know if you can hear me. It's so loud. So tomorrow I'm gonna be doing my speech in this place. This red tent. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be tomorrow. So that's my lovely colleague and friend, Sepide.
You got it?
Thank you, I got it, man. The self sign.
I'm all kinds of bad when I drop on the beat. Taking down my hair, got your eyes on me. You need it, you want it, but can you handle this? Lollipop is popping, 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 popping.
Look at the flags.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my coupe. Hold a couple racks, tell them I love you. You wanna be a boss, do it like I do. Yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex.
Wait.
Money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rocking with the best.
I like to take a picture of somebody taking a picture.
An expensive bit of gear to be handing around here.
Oh, thank you. For any camera in the broad daylight, there's enough light that they can perform to the best of ability. And the color representation, that's what makes the difference. And with the X2D, the color representation It is as the way you're looking at the color with your naked eye. It is so natural, it is so pleasing to see how Hasselblad managed to represent any natural color science within the camera in order to get the color that we get with the pictures taken with the X2D. Getting some nice fruit salad. So guys, so I got change and I'm gonna leave my other white because it's getting carrying dust, so I'm gonna leave it for, for tomorrow event. So we're gonna go to Coldplay now. Coldplay is my favorite band group, right? So we're gonna go watch Coldplay. So many people going toward that, so I don't know if we're gonna have nice place, but if not, we will see. Look at the over there. Can you see over there? That's all the people that are waiting. Those people that are going for Coldplay.
That's so amazing. I love you same way, and I'm so grateful. So thank you so much.
I'm all kinds of bad when I drop.
The one thing that I was concerned is the speed of the AF, as many people reported is not that fast when compared to the Canon and also the Sony and also the others. Look at this image that I have captured. Not just the people are moving and jumping at times. Light is not even there, but the X2D, when it lashes on something, it stays glued to it. Look, even the face is slightly hidden among other faces. And paired with these V lenses is extremely good in the autofocus. I am quite surprised. I really thought when it will get dark, I will miss more shots than if I have bought my Canon R5 or R5C. I'm also very impressed with the low light capability of the Hasselblad X2D. Really impressive. Check these images for yourself. They were taken when the sun is gone. Although it's dark, with just a little bit of editing, I recovered the footage. The 16 stop of dynamic range is a killer here. To be honest, I was slightly concerned that the X2D will fire worse when it comes down to the night photography, but it proved me wrong. All these images taken at night in the changing light condition are all recoverable with just little editing in Photoshop. The 100 megapixel medium format sensor that is attached to the X2D, it is like you have unlimited macro lens attached to it. Look at these images I capture. Far away. But let's look at zooming. I even zoomed to 400. You can still see and read those tiny words. Clear, crispy. I think from just 100%, you can read them, right? And let's zoom one more time. 400. You can read them. It's just outstanding. Morning, yeah. Good one. Oh, guys, it's early morning here, so I'm just gonna have like a morning walk or morning stroll. And today I just put the 55 V lenses in it because there is not much people or people sleeping. So I'm gonna just take picture of people getting Glastonbury ready again. I think that's, oh, that's nice, that's beautiful, that's great, some kind of line. Look at this, that's a toilet. Oh, nice. First thing I fall in love with you is art. Let's love this. I'm making a very nice leading line. Keep going, keep going. And the ice cream. Somebody biking in the middle of Glastonbury. Another leading line. No.
That's the easiest path through the plan.
Look at the breath.
Hello. You're completely the one. Hey. Oh my God, you look so good.
And I was thinking, well, it is too expensive, right? Maybe overrated camera. But I was absolutely wrong. Glastonbury, and with this condition, light changing, moving fast and colorful and dark, it had performed beyond my expectation. And I'm glad I got it. You know that I use Canon, I use Sony, but the experience, the usability or user interface, and all those kind of things with the X2D, it is just top notch. I think you have to try it, to understand it.